Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey everybody, good morning on this Thursday morning, 27th day of April. Rich here, just before a storm system moves into this particular area. I'm making this at 3:30 in the morning. Interesting morning because I've been covering and posting on a severe thunderstorm watch for the last several hours while I'm also getting ready for your video. And there is a severe thunderstorm watch as I make this at 3:30 in the morning, but that will be a non-issue for some of you or many of you when you watch this video later. No matter, we have other fish to fry, not just today's weather situation, but also another severe storm situation perhaps as we get into Sunday, and maybe another one beyond that. Let's take a look at what's going on this morning. This is the severe thunderstorm watch, which will be expiring at 5 a.m., which we were posting about and covering during the night for you. This will be a non-issue by the time a lot of you watch this video. And then the marginal risk of severe weather moves east with the line through eastern and southeastern Alabama late this morning and into the afternoon hours before leaving the state. Future radar 6:30 in the morning shows the axis of showers and storms strongest right through the central counties at that hour. Shifting on eastward, here's 8:30 in the morning. Some of the stronger storms beginning to move into east and southeast Alabama at that hour, and then solidifying into a line in through southeast Alabama at 12 noon. Again, some of those could be strong, possibly severe. So that storm system exits with the front, and then we're quiet for a day or two before the next storm system comes in late in the weekend. So morning strong storms, and then during the afternoon shifting into east and southeast Alabama with clearing skies here in the central counties, and a high today in the low to mid 80s, low tonight 67. Tomorrow will be a hot day for April. An isolated afternoon storm can't be ruled out. I've got the rain chances at 20%. Look at the huge area of severe weather risk tomorrow, not here, but just to the north and northwest of us. There's going to be a big area of severe thunderstorms and possibly tornadoes. On Saturday, we're hot and humid with high temperatures perhaps in the lower 90s, maybe some isolated thunderstorms. And this is the Saturday severe weather outlook. Again, a huge enhanced area over the Arklatex and over the lower Mississippi Valley as we watch that storm system edge towards us. At 1 o'clock on Sunday afternoon, I think showers and thunderstorms will begin coming into southwest Alabama, but the big storms are in Mississippi at 1 o'clock. Here's 1 a.m. in the morning, with showers and storms dominating much of west Alabama coming into central Alabama. We think some of those will be severe. That's our early indication. And at 7 o'clock on Monday morning, still the line of storms moving in through east Alabama, so it could be a long Sunday night in through Monday morning. And this is the European showing about 6 hours slower on the line of storms. This is just after midnight on Sunday night, showing the strong storm still in Mississippi at that hour. So the Storm Prediction Center has now extended the severe risk for Sunday through the western counties, and we think this will be possibly expanded farther east before we even get into Sunday. We'll keep an eye on it for you. Friday's high around 90, at least 90 on Saturday, perhaps lower 90s with small rain chances. Then a 60% chance of showers and storms by Sunday night. Will probably go up on that. That continues into early Monday before things cool down a bit. Here's the European showing the storm system this morning. Another storm system, the one Sunday night we just talked about. Another big deal storm system Wednesday night into Thursday. And then behind that one, sharply cooler air comes in. So that's going to be a big change. We're looking at the warmest day according to the GFS, probably Saturday. It's got 92, and then it cools us down into the low 50s, maybe near 50 on Tuesday morning, and maybe some low 50s behind that following storm system later in the week. It's a good time to have the weather app on your phone. Hopefully you've gotten around to downloading it so far and getting it on your phone and tablet. Pass the word to your friends. Push notifications for watches in the morning. Some of you were awakened by the sound of our weather app alerting you to a severe thunderstorm watch this morning. It's a good thing to have with all this changeable weather. Obviously, this day in history, April 27th, will always be remembered by, well, certainly by me and many Alabamians. This is the day of the biggest tornado super outbreak in U.S. history. And unfortunately, the state of Alabama was ground zero. We were the bullseye that day with 252 people killed and 62 tornadoes. Later today, I hope to get out a blog update on this particular day in history after we get rid of this severe weather situation this morning, which hasn't begun here at this location yet. but a strong line of thunderstorms is approaching. Have a great day today. There'll be additional updates as needed, and we'll keep you up to date on that developing situation for Sunday as well. See you later.
Rich Thomas weather.